So friends, in this video, we will cover the remaining only two questions. But the remaining three questions are totally depend on the roots of quadratic equation. So first of all, you should know what is the roots of the quadratic equation. Suppose there is one quadratic equation. Suppose the quadratic equation is like this: x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So what are the values that satisfy this quadratic equation is called as the roots of the quadratic equation. Means what? If I take any value and if I put that value in the left side and if I get the result 0, then that value is called as the roots of the quadratic equation. Okay? Just take an example. Suppose what is the LHS? We have what is the LHS? LHS in this quadratic equation, LHS is what? 1 quadratic equation. Now suppose I want to check whether 1 is the root of this quadratic equation or not. So for that purpose, what I do, in this equation I just put x equal to 1. I put that value in quadratic equation. So what your this equation become 1 square minus 2 into 1 plus 1. So what is the result? 1 square is 1, minus 2 into 1 is minus 2, this is plus 1. So 1 plus 1, 2 minus 2, result is 0, and that is your RHS. So when we get the result 0, then we say that x equal to 1, x equal to 1 is root of what? Given equation. Root of given equation. So obviously such type of question will be asked in your board exam. But how many roots are there? If you see the power of this quadratic equation, you know that the power of quadratic equation is 2. So obviously there are maximum how many roots? 2 roots. That is depending upon the power. If there is any polynomial which contain the power 3, I say that here is the polynomial. I not say that there is a quadratic equation. If there is a polynomial of power 3, then it has the 3 roots. But you know that the quadratic equation have power 2. That's why maximum roots should be 2. Okay. So just we will try to solve the question number 4, which is depending on the roots of the quadratic equation. I think that up till now you got what is the roots of the quadratic equation. Okay. So just take an example now. त्यांनी काय दिलेलं आहे? Question number 1 of question number 4. What they given? Our target is what? They given us a one quadratic equation, x square plus 4x minus 5 equal to 0. And they say that you can check out whether x equal to 1 or x equal to minus 1 are the roots of this quadratic equation or not. So what is the solution now? We have what is the LHS? x square plus 4x minus 5. ज्यावेळेस एखादं क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन देतात लेफ्ट साइडला सगळ्या टर्म पाहिजे आणि राइट साइडला फक्त 0 पाहिजे. जर नसेल तर यू कॅन rearrange that term. So what you have to do, first of all we can check whether the x equal to 1 is the root or not. So for that purpose we can put x equal to 1 in this equation. So what is your LHS? LHS equal to 1 square plus 4 into 1 minus 5. So 1 plus 4 minus 5. 1 plus 4 is 5 minus 5 equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to 1 is root of equation. Now again we will try for x equal to minus 1. What is the LHS? We can perform the again same procedure. LHS is what? X square plus 4x minus 5. X square plus 4x minus 5. So here we can put x equal to minus 1. So what is the result? Minus 1 square plus 4 into minus 1 minus 5. What is minus 1 square? Minus 1 square is plus 1. Minus square is always positive. You know that thing. Plus 4 minus 1, it is a minus 4 minus 5. So what is the result? 1 minus 4 minus 5, it is a minus 9. So result is minus 8, that is not equal to 0. Therefore you can say that x equal to minus 1 is what? Not a root of equation. Root of equation. Okay. So here they say that you can check out whether x equal to 1 or minus 1 are the roots of this equation. So first of all you can put the left side of this equation. In the left side, first instead of x you can put this value. So here whenever you can put the value, that value maybe try put into the bracket. Because what happens if you put it into the bracket and if the value is minus like this, so it is so simple to simplify that value. Okay, otherwise काय होईल थोडंसं little bit confusion होईल minus plus like that. So ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही रूटची व्हॅल्यू पुट करतात इक्वेशन मध्ये त्यावेळेस ती व्हॅल्यू शक्यतो ब्रॅकेट मध्येच पुट करा. शक्यतो ती व्हॅल्यू कशामध्ये पुट करायचे? ब्रॅकेट मध्ये. ओके, सो अपेक्षा हे एक्झाम्पल तुम्हाला समजलं असेल. आपण नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल कडे जाऊ. व्हॉट इज द नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल? नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल इज व्हॉट your next example? Check out the next example in your book. Okay, so ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही हे व्हिडिओ बघतात मित्रांनो त्यावेळेस तुमच्या सोबत बुक असणं गरजेचंच आहे. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल इज व्हॉट? 2m square minus 5m equal to 0, and our target is what? To check whether m equal to 2 and m equal to, I think that 5 upon 2 are the roots of given equation or not. So for that purpose, first of all we can write down the left side of this equation. या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला गरजेचं नाही की दिलेले इक्वेशन हे स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म मध्ये असणं. ओके, जर स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म जर मध्ये जरी नसलं तर तुम्ही इक्वेशन ते ऍज इट इज घ्यायचे. फक्त कंडिशन एकच आहे की लेफ्ट साइडला सगळ्या टर्म्स पाहिजे आणि राइट साइडला फक्त 0 पाहिजे. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी कॅन चेक वेदर दिस 2 इज द रूट ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन और नॉट. So for that purpose we can put m equal to 2. Okay, so what is result now? 2 into 2 square minus 5 into 2. So 2 into 2 square is what? 4 minus 10. So 8 minus 10, what is the result? Minus 2. So that is not equal to 0. That is not equal to 0. Therefore you can say that m equal to 2 is not a root of this equation. Now we can check again for 5 by 2. So what is the LHS now? LHS is 2m square minus 5m. So put here m equal to 5 upon 2. So what is result? 2 5 upon 2 square minus 5 upon 2. So 2, what is 5 square? 25. What is 2 square? 4 minus 5 into 5, 25 upon 2. 2 2s are 4. So what is result? 25 upon 2 minus 25 upon 2. Result is 0. That's why you can say that m equal to 5 upon 2 is root of equation. Okay, so एकदम सिंपल आहे. पण ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही एखादी व्हॅल्यू पुट करतात त्या इक्वेशन मध्ये टू चेक आउट वेदर दॅट व्हॅल्यू इज रूट ऑर नॉट, ती व्हॅल्यू शक्यतो ब्रॅकेट मध्ये पुट करा. ओके, सो आपण क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 कडे जाऊ आता. व्हॉट इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 5? चेक आउट करा बुक मध्ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 काय आहे. या टाइपचे क्वेश्चन कंपल्सरी विचारले जातात, त्यामुळे हा जो पार्ट आहे तो फार सिरियसली घ्या. एकदम इजी आहे, 100% मार्क देणारा हा पार्ट आहे. तर क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 काय सांगतो, आपल्याला व्हॅल्यू फाइंड करायची आहे. फाइंड द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ k if x equal to 3 is the root of equation. Okay, x equal to 3 is the root of equation. So here we have, what is the quadratic equation? In the quadratic equation काय दिलेले आहे त्यांनी? quadratic equation दिलेले आहे त्यांनी kx square minus 10x plus 3 equal to 0. Kx square minus 10x plus 3 equal to 0. And they say that x equal to 3. X equal to 3 is the root of this equation and you can find the value of k. यांचं म्हणणं असं आहे की ज्यावेळेस मी या इक्वेशन मध्ये x equal to 3 पुट करतो मला रिझल्ट काय भेटतोय 0 भेटतोय बिकॉज x equal to 3 is the root of this equation. सो सिंपली काय करायचं तुम्हाला या इक्वेशन मध्ये x equal to 3 पुट करा. So what is the result now? K 3 square minus 10 into 3 plus 3 equal to obviously 0 है. का कारण x is equal to 3 is the root of this equation. So what is the result now? 3 square is 9. So this become 9k. This become 10 into 3 30 plus 3 equal to 0. 9k here we perform the subtraction because both contain the different sign. बरोबर आहे ना दोघांचं साइन आहे वेगवेगळे. So what is the result? Minus 27 equal to 0. So 9k equal to 27. So k equal to 27 upon 9. So what is k? K is obviously 3. 9 3s are 27. So like this way we can find the values of k now. या प्रकारचे क्वेश्चन्स कंपल्सरी आहेत तो सिरियसली घ्या. ओके. सो नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओ मध्ये आपण क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 बघणार आहोत. दॅट इज द लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस प्रॅक्टिस सेट. ही एक ऍक्टिव्हिटी आहे. सो त्यासाठी आपण एक स्पेशल व्हिडिओ बनवू. ओके. थँक्यू.